Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious load. Close browsers and background apps that steal CPU and RAM. Once done, update the Roblox client and your GPU drivers so the game can use optimal performance routines. Make sure Windows updates are applied and restart the PC to clear memory. Also check you have at least 2 GB free disk space and adequate RAM. This prevents stutter from paging. These first steps eliminate most resource-related lag and let further tweaks take full effect. Next, you optimize network and game settings because latency and render load both cause lag. If possible, plug into Ethernet, then power cycle your modem and router to refresh DNS and connections. In Roblox, lower graphics quality and switch to a simpler graphics mode to reduce GPU frame time. Cap FPS at 60 to avoid uneven frame times and disable VSync if it introduces stutter. Reduce terrain, textures, shadows, and particle effects. This lowers GPU usage and makes frames more Finally, perform deeper maintenance. Clear Roblox cache and reinstall the client to fix corrupted files, and add Roblox to antivirus exclusions so scans do not interrupt it. Change Windows power settings to high performance and set your GPU driver to prefer maximum performance for the game profile. If you still see lag, test Roblox on a phone or another PC and try a different network to isolate whether the problem is your machine or your connection. If network-related, contact ISP with measured ping/packet loss data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.